Geography. Lesson number 2. The Sun, the Moon, and the Earth. Characteristics of solar and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day, but not on each new moon day. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs on a full moon day, but not on each full moon day. Second point. If and only if the Sun, Moon, and the Earth are in the same plane and fall in one line, the solar eclipses occur. If and only if the Sun, Moon, and the Earth are in the same plane and fall in one line, the lunar eclipses occur. Time duration. The maximum duration of the solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds, that is 440 seconds. The maximum duration of the lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. Eclipse and astronomical event. A solar or lunar eclipse is just an astronomical event. There is no anything auspicious or inauspicious about it. It is just a result of the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon being in specific positions. There is a lot of curiosity about eclipses because an eclipse is not a regular occurrence. For the scientists in astronomy, eclipses, and particularly total or annular solar eclipses, present great opportunities for study. Scientists from all over the world make it a point to visit the locations where such events are going to occur. They carry out elaborate studies of eclipses, that is, eclipse conditions. Always remember, while observing a solar eclipse, it is necessary to view the sun disk through dark glasses or special goggles made for the purpose. Otherwise, the intense sunlight can be harmful to the naked eyes. During the period of a solar eclipse, a large number of birds and animals get confused due to the untimely darkness that sets in. As this event does not suit their biological clock, their response to the event is also unusual. Try to observe the responses of the birds and animals at the time of such events and record your observations. Occultation and transit. Like eclipses, some other conditions occur with reference to the sun or the moon. These are called occultation and transits. Occultation occurs with reference to the moon, while transit is associated with the sun. Occultation. Occultation is a typical event occurring in the space. The moon revolves around the earth. While doing so, it obscures a star or a planet, and that celestial body appears to hide behind the moon. This is called occultation. The total solar eclipse is actually a kind of occultation. During this, the sun disk gets hidden completely because of the moon. The verb occult means to cover or hide from view. Occultation means an astronomical event that occurs when one celestial object is hidden by another celestial object that passes between the observer, when the nearer object appears larger and completely hides the more distant object. Transit. If an inner planet like Mercury or Venus comes in between the line of the Earth and the Sun, a transit occurs. At that time, a small dot appears to move across the sun disk. Transit is a kind of solar eclipse. Transit means the act of passing across or through something. Transit means the passage of a celestial body across the observer's meridian or the disk of a larger celestial body. Figure 2.10 showing the transit of Mercury. Here in this figure we see that dot-like Mercury, planet Mercury is passing through the sun. Meaning of new words. Eclipse. Eclipse means an alignment of astronomical objects whereby one object comes between the observer and another object, thus obscuring the latter. Celestial body or heavenly body. Celestial body means a natural object that is located outside the Earth's atmosphere, such as the moon, the sun, an asteroid, a planet, or a star. Solar. Solar means of or pertaining to the sun, proceeding from the sun. Lunar means of or pertaining to the moon.